In this video, I'll show you how to create this chair. In our profession, we have a lot of new people joining from various fields, including design. And for some reason, they struggle to create beautiful renders. One of the reasons can be low-quality models, for example, made in some other software, or just lack of details. I found this model from manufacturer made in SketchUp, and it should look like that. If you have a look in 3ds Max, you will see a lot of imperfections on this model. But those imperfections you can easily fix in 3ds Max with help of Smooth Modifier. But the thing is that it's absolutely lack of details, which is crucial. In this video, using this chair as example, I'll show you tools that can be used to create a high-quality model. So let's get started from the very beginning. Let's import chair, file, import merge, select all files. We'll work with the highest chair. We need to rotate chair so it will standing. Select rotation tool, activate angle snap and rotate chair for 90 degrees in the left view. Next, place it at 0 coordinate. Select move tool and lift up in the left view. Set 0 in Y coordinate. Lift up more. I'll freeze chair in the layers. Let's start modeling. Go to Create tab, click Shapes, select line. Create it in the front view. Go to Modify tab, select vertices and make it more straight and accurate. Check in the top view as well. Add thickness to the line in the Rendering tab. Increase thickness. Lift up top vertex and lower bottom. Maximize front view part, switch to segments, isolate selection. Right-click, convert to editable poly. Select edges, activate slice plane, click rotation tool and rotate for 90 degrees. Lower it down, press slice to cut chair leg and make it straight. Do same with top part. And isolate to see where you have to place slice plane, press slice to cut it. Switch to polygon, select top part, press delete. Same on bottom. Isolate chair leg, switch to perspective. Choose border, select them. Press cap to close it. Switch to polygon, select top, right-click, select insert settings, set 4 mm. Accept, delete middle polygon and do the same on bottom. Switch to edges, select all vertical and go to front view. Press connect settings and add one loop. In constraints parameter, select edge. Now you can move it without distorting the geometry, clearly along the path. Lower loop down. Return constraints to none. Click on chamfer settings, set 0 segments, and point 2 mm. Accept it, switch to polygon, select one, then double-click on the next one to select all the line. Go on perspective, click on extrude settings, select local, set -1 mm. Go to front view, accept extrude, F3 to show wireframe, switch to edges, select inner loop, and with help of scale tool, make it straight. Activate snap and snap it to the point. Do all the same with second inner loop. In perspective view, select all bottom polygons and attach to element. When you will switch to element, you can select those details separately. Create cylinder in the top view. Centralize it with help of Move tool and Snap. Go to Modify tab, set radius 12 and move it to the other side. Snap to the middle point. Move it to the side, increase height. Convert to editable poly, right-click, convert to. In the top view, go to Polygon, select, delete. Again, select and delete. Select left part and delete it also. Switch to edges, double-click to select all line and do chamfer. Double-click to the middle line. Move it in the top view. We're creating a shape for the twisted part of the leg now. In perspective, select inside edge with double-click. Do chamfer. Set 0 segments. Go to edges, select it and add one more loop with help of connect. Go to vertex and move it. Hold shift, drag, make a copy. Rotate for 180 degrees. Move on the top view and snap to the points. Let's do it even more accurate. Go to vertices, select them and snap it. Exit vertices, select one part and attach second part in perspective. Select all vertices and weld them. Go to Modify list and select twist. As you can see, our geometry is not twisting well. That means that we need to add more edges. So let's go to Edit Poly, Edges, select all vertical edges. Connect, add around 7 new loops. Exit edges and return to twist. Customize it angle. Add Turbo Smooth modifier. You also can find it in Modify list. Add one more iteration. We need more detalization. Delete for now Turbo Smooth and Twist. In the top view, go to Vertices, select Vertex, activate Use Soft Selection, lower fall-off, click Local Coordinates, fall-off 10, set 1 in Y coordinate, select bottom vertex, set -1 in Y coordinate, exit Vertices and select Twist Modifier. Go to Hierarchy, center pivot to the object, rotate to 180 degrees, convert to editable poly. Go to Border, select top one, Scale tool, by 2 coordinates make it more narrow. Do the same on bottom. Select top border, hold shift and scale to insert new polygons. Do the same on bottom. Go to Edges, select with double click loop, do chamfer. Do same on top. Add Turbo Smooth with 2 iterations. Move chair leg to the side, lift up twisted part and scale it up a little bit with 2 coordinates. Rotate and move so it will align to the chair leg. Go to Editable Poly, add FFD2 modifier, open it, control points and modify it. Picture leg, go to Edges, select loops and do chamfer. Add iteration in Turbo Smooth. To get rid of this gradient, need to add one more loop. So go to Edit Poly, Edges, select Vertical and Connect. Select Edges and Constraints, move it to the bottom. Do same on top. Move those 2 parts to the place. Go to the top view wireframe mode and create circle. Lift it up, unfreeze chair and snap circle to the middle points of the chair. Freeze it again in the layers. Create cylinder on the top view. Select with Ctrl Circle, isolate it. Snap cylinder to the middle points of the circle on the top view and isolate. Go to Modify tab and set parameters for it. Lift it up and customize height of cylinder. Isolate selection, set 1 height segments and 2 cap segments. Convert to editable poly, go to Polygon and delete all middle polygons. Then to Edges, select 2 loops with double click and Ctrl and do chamfer. Select vertical edge, double-click on the next one to select all ring and do connect. Next, go to border, select them and do cap. Go to vertices and add new edges for the both sides with the cut tool. Add Turbo Smooth with 2 iterations. Go to editable poly, select polygons, right-click insert, set 1 mm. Go to Edges, select with double-click 1 loop, rotate to other side and with Ctrl select second loop and delete it with Ctrl backspace. Create new cylinder for the seat, go to Modify tab and change radius. Set height, set 16 sides, convert to editable poly. Go to Edges, select 2 loops and do chamfer. Select 1 middle loop with double click, Ctrl backspace to delete it. Go to Element, select it and do scale by 2 coordinates. Isolate it. Go to Edges, select 1, double click in the next one and do the same in the other side. Do connect with 2 loops. Select Edges, Ctrl backspace to delete them. Add Turbo Smooth with 2 iterations. Choose all parts of the chair and move it. Choose Seat, turn off Turbo Smooth, select 2 parts of the leg and isolate them. Select 2 parts of the leg, go to Hierarchy, Affect Pivot Only and move it. Select only 1 part and centralize it with help of Snap. Then second one. After that, turn off Affect Pivot Only. Go to Rotation tool, hold Shift and rotate. Select Instance Copy and set 3 copies. Do the same with the second part. Select Seat, turn on Turbo Smooth. Select Circle, add Turbo Smooth with 2 iterations. Select all chair, change color to gray, and our chair is ready. And how do you deal with such models? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, put likes and subscribe to our channel.